Morning traders, Nick Master Daily Market Tea Leaves here to bring you a daily market bias video for Monday, June 3rd. It's approximately 5 minutes to 5 a.m. on the East Coast. Today is the first trading day of June 2019. We really take a look at the overseas markets in Asia. Basically, Asia is trading to the downside, if you will, with the exception of the Singapore Exchange, which currently right now is up only fractionally. Currently right now in Europe, and the current ongoing Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at more correlation as it stands. US dollar is trading lower, however, the bonds, the entire bond universe is trading to the upside. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Gold is trading higher. The crude oil is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have a bit, if you will, not a tsunami, but certainly a bit. We have an FOMC member, hang on a second, yep, we have an FOMC member speaking at 9:10 a.m. It just came in, it's just very recent. At 9:45 we have final manufacturing PMI. At 10 a.m. we have ISM manufacturing PMI. Construction spending, ISM manufacturing prices. We have total vehicle sales that's going to be released throughout the day, if you will. All these are considered to be major. All these are proven market movers. And then later on in the afternoon, at around 1:30 or so, we have an FOMC member speaking again. All this being said, our bias is to the downside. And the reason why I'm suggesting a downside bias, gold is trading higher, much higher. And whereas the U.S. dollar is trading lower, the bonds, however, are trading much higher. I mean, basically right now for the 30-year bond, what we're looking at is a 36-point advance, which is highly unusual, for any one particular given day. And in essence, what we're seeing is the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average degrading to the downside. Well, Europe is trading to the downside, hence our bias is to the downside. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything's possible in a volatile market. Thanks, hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.